political face-off is continuing over the examination being delayed. And of course the overall NTA mess, because Rahul Gandhi has now put up a post in this regard, and he has said claims of being a Vishwa Guru, yet the country cannot even conduct one major examination smoothly. Rahul Gandhi going on to say Modi ji has ruined the entire education system. Now remember, Rahul Gandhi has been raising multiple questions on the CBSE examination mess as well as the NEET examination issue, and now also talking about the current examination mess, where he says that even one examination is not being conducted smoothly. Rahul Gandhi has taken to social media to attack the centre, saying claims of being a Vishwa Guru, and yet the country cannot conduct even one major examination smoothly. We have Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP on the broadcast with us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Pradeep Bhandari. Big attack by Rahul Gandhi. He says you call yourself Vishwa Guru, but you're not able to conduct even a single examination smoothly.
Well, first of all, please note what has happened in QIT is not a leak. It's a glitch, and it has been corrected. Unfortunately, the Indian opposition is trying to play politics. For us, the only priority is to ensure that the examination which is conducted on 21st of June is conducted without any amount of problem to the students. The Congress party, for 70 years, every year there was a leak and the Congress did not take accountability. We have taken the accountability. We have ordered the CBI probe. We are on top of it, and we assure all the students that we are fixing it, and on 21st of June there will be no hassle.
Okay, but isn't it true that there has been an issue with the CBSE exams, with the NEET examinations, and now in the latest today as well? In fact, we've spoken to multiple parents who are still awaiting there, and they don't know what's going to happen next. They're waiting for the NTA to give out the answers.
Well, on the front of the CBSE and the CUT, which you are speaking about, there have been glitches which have been acknowledged, and the government has taken cognizance of it, as has been expressed by the NT and the Honorable Minister themselves. On the part of the NEET, after the Radhakrishna Committee and the Honorable Supreme Court's hearing, as per the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, the government will be implementing the suggestions in order to ensure that on 21st there is zero hassle for the students. And on the specific grievance of the parents, the respected officials of NTA are looking into it. We empathize and are completely concerned and respect the anger which is there in the parents.
Okay. Pradeep Bhandari, can I request you to stay with us? We have Mr. Pramod Tiwari also on the broadcast with us. And Pramod Tiwari ji, BJP ये कह रही है कि पहले कोई accountability नहीं थी, लेकिन now accountability is being fixed. What would you say?
81 हो गया ये, अभी तक 80 था. कुल मिला के बीजेपी रिजीम में 81 पेपर लीक हुए. करोड़ों छात्रों का सब जोड़ लिया जाए तो भविष्य अंधकार में. मैं तो सीधे सीधे आरोप लगाता हूं कि ये जानबूझकर साजिशन किया जा रहा है, जिससे कल उनको नौकरी न देने पड़े, कल वो क्वालिफिकेशन डिग्री लेके सामने न खड़े हो जाएं, क्योंकि कोई सरकार आखिरकार सब रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स हो जा रही है, तो क्या कोई शिक्षा मंत्री की भी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स होगी? ये लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का देश है. ये तमाम मामलों में अगर आप देखें तो किसकी फिक्स होगी जिम्मेदारी? शिक्षा मंत्री कितने करोड़ों छात्रों का भविष्य नष्ट करने के बाद नैतिक जिम्मेदारी लेते हुए इस्तीफा देंगे? मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि एक साजिशन ये पेपर लीक किए जा रहे हैं, या चलिए मान लेते हैं किसी लापरवाही की वजह से हुआ, कॉन्स्पिरेसी के तहत हुआ. मेरा सीधा आरोप है ये पैसे के लिए होता है. सब एक बड़ा भारी रैकेट है जो पैसा लेता है. देखिए अमाउंट कोट हो रहे हैं, 20 लाख 30 लाख राजस्थान वाले ने कोट किया, सब कोट कर रहे हैं. तो ये अरबों का व्यापार हो गया है, और अरबों के व्यापार में छात्रों के भविष्य के साथ, नौजवानों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रहा है. आखिर शिक्षा मंत्री कोई तो नैतिक जिम्मेदारी लेंगे, इस्तीफा देंगे. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी तब होल्ड कर दिया. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया दिस इज नॉट इनफ. तो कुल मिला के आप देखें कि अब मैं संकोच कर रहा हूं, इसलिए शब्द नहीं यूज कर रहा हूं, बेशर्मी की हद होती.
Okay, all right. So you're saying the education minister should resign. That's the demand of the Congress party. Pramod Tiwari ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Accountability should be fixed. The Supreme Court has also pulled up the NTA and yet no action being taken. That's the charge of the Congress party. We're keeping a track of the politics and also so far what are the efforts that have been taken by the NTA. But for